You are standing in a wide, open field, holding a piece of technology that feels more like a professional tool than a hobbyist toy. This foldable quadcopter is a serious contender for anyone looking to get into aerial photography without the massive learning curve usually associated with high-end gear. The design is sleek, compact, and built to survive the realities of outdoor flight. One of the most impressive things right out of the box is the dual camera system. It captures video and photos with a level of clarity that rivals professional setups, giving you those crisp, high-definition shots of the landscape below. It is not just about the resolution, though. It is about the stability. Inside this frame, you have brushless motors that provide a smooth, quiet power. They offer much better resistance to the wind, which means your footage stays level even when the breeze picks up. To keep the aircraft safe, there is an integrated obstacle avoidance system. It acts as a digital safety net, helping to prevent those stomach-turning collisions that every new pilot fears. If you find yourself flying in tighter spaces or even indoors, the optical flow positioning takes over. It uses sensors to lock onto the ground, allowing the drone to hover with incredible precision. You do not have to worry about it drifting away while you are trying to frame a shot. For the true beginners, the features are specifically designed to build confidence. Headless mode removes the stress of orientation, so that moving the stick left always moves the craft left, regardless of which way the camera is pointing. There is also a one-key takeoff and landing feature. With a single press, the drone rises to a set height and stays there, waiting for your command. It takes the guesswork out of the most difficult parts of a flight. But before you reach for the skies, you need to handle the preparation. Safety is the priority. You must go through the manual and understand the specific warnings for your area. Always pick a spot far away from people, buildings, or power lines. Charging is the next critical step. Ensure the batteries for both the drone and the controller are topped off. A full charge is your best defense against a mid-air power failure. Once you are at your flight location, do a quick check of the hardware. Make sure the throttle stick is centered before you power on the transmitter. This simple step ensures the drone does not lurch forward unexpectedly when it connects. When you finally take that first flight, start slow. Use the automated takeoff to get a feel for the controls. Keep your movements gentle, and always keep an eye on the battery levels. This machine is built to make the complex world of flight feel intuitive. It combines high-end optics with a stabilization system that makes it accessible to everyone. By following a few simple safety steps, you can stop worrying about the mechanics and start focusing on the view from above. It is a powerful tool for visual storytelling that fits right in your backpack. The combination of satellite positioning and advanced stabilization means even a first-time pilot can achieve professional-looking results. You just need to respect the process, prepare your equipment, and enjoy the incredible perspective that only a high-quality aircraft can provide. It is a hobby that changes how you see your surroundings. Literally.